Hello students, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 9th class. This is your physics period, and as you know, the chapter motion is going on. Today I will discuss about some numerical problem based on acceleration, or you can use equation of motion. As you know, in previous video I have discussed about 3 equation of motion. So now we have to discuss about some numerical problem based on equation of motion. Okay. So as you can see, a numerical is given on your board. A scooter traveling at 10 meter per second speeds up to 20 meter per second in 4 seconds. The speed of a scooter increased 10 to 20 in 4 seconds. So we have to find what is the value of acceleration. It means we have to find the rate with which your velocity increasing. So as you can see in this question, initial speed is given 10 meter per second and the final speed is 20 meter per second, and the time t equal to 4 seconds is also given, and we have to find what is the value of acceleration. So we can use the formula for acceleration as well as equation of motion. So first, equation of motion, v equal to u plus at. So we can write this v minus u equal to at. So at equal to v minus u. So a is equal to v minus u upon t. So by putting the value, you can find the value of acceleration easily. This is your initial 10. This is your final velocity 20 and time is 4. So it means v is 20, u is 10 and time is 4. It means 10 upon 4. So you can solve easily. So 5 upon 2. It means 2.5. It means the value of acceleration is 2.5 meter upon second square. This is the unit of acceleration. So I hope you understand easily. This is a simple question based on equation of motion. Okay. So now I am going to discuss about the second numerical. You can see the second question. In second question, the problem is given as a train accelerates from 36 km per hour to 54 km per hour in 10 seconds. We have to find acceleration. What is the difference in this question and previous question? The difference is that in this numerical values are given in kilometer per hour, but in previous question the velocity is given in meter per second, because time is given in second and velocity in hour. So it means first we have to convert this velocity initial and final in MK system. MK system means distance in meter and time in second, because as you know in MK system distance in meter and time in second and mass in kg, but there is no need of mass. So we have to convert distance into meter and time into second. So as you can see, your initial value is given u is 36 kilometer per hour. So to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you have to multiply 5 upon 80. I have discussed already why you have to multiply 5 upon 80, because when you convert kilometer into meter it is 1000, and when you convert hour into second it is 60 into 60. So 5 upon 3. So 5 upon 80. So it means you can multiply direct by 5 upon 80 to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So this is 2. So u is 10 meter per second. This is the value of initial velocity. Now final v is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. So 54 into 5 upon 80. So when we divide by 3, 6 and 18, 3, 2, 6 and 3. So it means 3 into 5, 15. Or you can solve according to you. This is 15. V is equal to 15 meter upon second. This is the value of final velocity. Okay, and time is given 10 seconds. Okay, now you have to find what the value of acceleration. In previous question, I have discussed A equal to V minus U upon T. So by putting value, V is 15, U is 10, T is 10. So A equal to 5 upon 10, 0.5 meter upon second square. This is the value of acceleration. Clear? But we have to find also the distance traveled in this time. The distance traveled by car in this time. So as you know, we can find distance by using second or third, because in second and third there is a term distance is given. S equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. This is your second equation of motion. So by putting value, u is 10 and t is also 10. What is the value A? A is 0.5 and T is 10 square. So S equal to 10 into 10, 100 plus 1 upon 2, 0.5, 100. So 100 plus this is, when you multiply 0.5 into 100, so it is 50, because when you multiply 5 into 100, so it is 500, point will come, so it is 50, and divide by 2. So when you divide by 2, it is 100 plus 25, so 125 meters. This is the distance traveled by car when the speed of car increase 36 km per hour to 54 km per hour in 10 seconds. Okay, so I hope you understand these numericals. So you have to try numerical based on this concept. Thank you very much.